Hi guys, welcome back to Abby Street channel. In today's video we'll be doing Nigerian bun. I have 2.5 cup of flour. I'll be adding half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and then I'll be adding dash of nutmeg into the mixture. I will give it a quick mix together just to mix the ingredient in together. Then I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of butter, and then I'll be adding some 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk into it. I'll mix it quickly, and then I'll add my 1 medium egg into it. I'll give it a quick mix together, and then I'll be going in with half cup of water or 3/4 cup of water, depending on how crunchy you want your buns. So while I'm giving it a quick mix together, I have got oil on the fire, vegetable oil, so I'll be dropping in my butter into the oil, and then I'll fry that until it's golden brown. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing. Please support your girl, and if you're a returning subscriber, I would like to say a big thank you for coming back. Kindly share my video, like, and support your girl. Thank you. So there you go, there you have it. Your Nigerian buns is ready, and this is an alternative to puff puff, because with puff puff you have to wait for it to get right, but with buns you can fry it straight away. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share.